Okay, so this one's only a one balloon sculpture, but it's worth it. I don't know, I like it because I used to, I invented this one and it used to play really big with the audiences, right? So I usually use a white one, but I'm out of white ones. This is going to be my last one for today. So I'm using a yellow one. Not quite all the way, but not too short. You want maybe 4 or 6 fingers length, maybe, something like that, left over. What I do is I start with the tail. So I make a little tail and 2 feet hanging down. Those would be the seagull's feet. A short body. Most of this is going to be wings. So what I do is I kind of make a circle to measure where about the middle is. And the reason I want the middle is because each time I twist it, it's going to get pushed further down. So I don't want exactly, I don't want to make it too short. I want to make it, I'm going to make it just a tiny bit short of middle. Okay? And I'm going to bend that down into my hand so I can do 3 bubbles. Just like that. And that's when it pushes down towards the end. All right. Straighten it out. Twist this off. And that's going to be the neck and the beak of the bird. Okay? But this is a pop tie. So I'm going to twist these end 2 off like an ear tie. Pull that one bubble out, twist it around. Pull this one bubble out, twist it around. And I'm going to divide those in half. Divide that in half. Okay? All right. Now, here's the way to make a bird beak. All right? You don't squeeze the air. If you squeeze the air and pull it, it makes like a bent head. You just want the beak. So I'm going to pull just the uninflated part down and hold it beside the head. And then squeeze it just like that. And that makes the beak come out sideways. So before I pop it, I do this. I put eyes on it. And the way I would always present that when I was working table to table is I would say, here we go, it's a seagull. It's a seagull under arrest. Handcuffs and everything. However, seagulls are free, and so is yours. Trust me, everybody loved it.